Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making a 3-ingredient Nutella cake. This recipe is inspired by our lifelong friend, Jane Nicoletti. Make sure to check out her YouTube channel, Ding. She does wonderful cooking videos and great beauty tips. Jane Nicoletti's link will be in the description below. So we are making this Nutella cake 2 ways. We are using these Omnia dividers, 2 of them. One will have walnuts. Steve doesn't like walnuts. And the other, peanut butter. So this will be delicious. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. We do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Make sure to check it out. Ding. And my cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon. Of course, the link will be in the description below. I'm ready to make this delicious Nutella cake. One side with walnuts, one side with peanut butter. Let's get cooking.